also goes out underneath the Four Seasons, Howard.
You were great. You looked beautiful. You were great. Everything was perfect.
You know, after I watched it, yeah, I was very happy.
Yeah, you guys look really good.
She was obsessing over the one.
Searching for something
To grab control.
He didn't
He
get
was
it.
like, what can I say?
Nikki.
Oh, you have dirt on your toe.
How did my feet taste? You liked it, didn't you? Yes.
We couldn't believe it when she, first I saw your shoe coming on. I said, what is he doing?
Yeah.
And then she starts to move down to your foot, and I said, oh, she's going to give him a foot massage. And then she puts your big toe in her mouth. I was like, no!
The book signing today, right?
Yes.
All right, and
Now, you said you're going to be there right now as soon as you're done.
I was thinking like I'm going to try and just take a break for a few minutes and then get over to the book signing, okay? You know, maybe we're going to go over a little early because people are waiting. What is it?
Howard, when you do the press wants to interview you with these women.
Yeah, no kidding. In fact, maybe I'll show the press what I was going to do on the Tonight Show that they edited out.